Welcome back, guys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to paint this one room right down here. Give us a like and subscribe down below. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to set up drops on the floors. Now that the floors are covered, let's move on to the next step. We're going to want to remove the reciprocal covers. So go ahead and take your flathead screwdriver and remove the cover and the screw. We'll put this aside so it doesn't get paint on it. Okay, listen up, people, guys and girls. Take your caulking gun and put it approximately at a 45-degree angle. Pull the trigger and draw back at the same time to put a fine bead of caulking right on there. Grab your caulking gun, put it into the corner, pull the trigger and draw back at the same time. 45-degree angle, draw back as you trigger. All right, let's finish the corner. Start in the corner, lightly pull the trigger back and draw back. Now go the opposite way, go down this one and draw back. Now for this middle piece, we want to put the caulking gun down into the corner and draw up. And then we want to draw down from the corner and draw in. And we're going to lightly blend that in with our finger. There shouldn't be a lot of caulking on there because we're professionals. Okay, we're moving down. We're going to be painting the baseboard on this job because there's all sorts of rust. Kill stain, and we're going to spray the rust away. This is an oil primer, so simply just spray it on there. Don't be afraid. Okay, that's all done. That's all been sprayed and primed now. Okay, everybody, let's start off by painting the trim down here. Don't be afraid to utilize that paintbrush. Put some pressure on the paintbrush to release the product. We're going to start the next panel, put some graining in there. Now we're going to feather over everything. Do your middle piece. Don't forget, like and subscribe, okay? That's all done. We're going to check it out when it dries. That's what we're looking for when we finish the door. We're looking for that nice graining where it doesn't overlap onto the other piece of trim. That would be quality from start to finish. Okay, listen up, everybody. We're going to cut in this baseboard and paint the top of it and bring it up onto the wall a little bit because we're painting the walls, putting a whole new color on here. I'm going to draw up. I'm really close to the carpeting, but I'm not touching and I'm staying a millimeter away from it. I'm going to do a fishtail with my brush right into the corner, and then I'm going to use the bristles to get down there. And now I'm going to feather over my work to make sure it's all done. Okay, we're going to finish up this area right here. I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to go right into the corner, and I'm just going to put it up into the wall, onto the baseboard, and go straight back. That piece is done. Dunk your brush. Let's get this done right here, right in the top of this. Excellent. That's done. I normally go like this, come into a corner and squat down like this. The other hand and go into the 45, go straight back, stay a fraction away from the carpeting. You can utilize your bristle tips to do that. And then I'm going to feather over it, and that piece is done as well. Continue over here and get these little pieces of baseboard right here. Go right onto the wall. Now go sideways, go down. Don't touch the tile. We're only painting the trim. Now you're on carpet, so don't touch the carpet. There you go. Perfect. Look at that. That's done. Now let's get this piece done. Very good. Look at that. Very hard being a disabled soldier doing this. So we want to finish this off now. So I would normally go this way. I don't want to go this way, and then that will drip. So we go this way. Now we're going to go back this way, cut all this in. Now that piece of trim is done, so let's move on. Continue down. So we're going to do the piece of base. We're going to go right onto the wall, and we're going to run it down right down there. This is how fast it happened. Give it a sideways angle. Go in there. Let's get this done. A couple of bristles are going right down near the carpet, but they're not touching the carpet. Okay, that piece is done. Okay, I'm always drawing into it. So I'm starting the next piece, and I'm drawing into the stuff we already did over here. Now I'm going to slightly turn my body, and I'm going to shove it into the 45, and I'm going to draw a straight line back. I'm going to do a little fishtail with the brush. Okay, that piece is done. Okay, same thing here. Do the top first. Now let's bend down a little bit, go into the 45, and let's do the bottom. Your whole brush is covering the entire surface of the 3-inch trim, so you're actually painting it again. There you go. Okay, this is the radiator I kill stained yesterday, so we're going to want to paint the side of it. Dab your brush in there, cut that all in. All right, so naturally I would paint the top first by going this way. Now we're going to go this way on the bottom, and I'm going to draw back, feather over the work. Paint around the knob, done. We want to feather over that. Now we're going to work on this piece of baseboard. I'm going to have to turn sideways on this one. So let's see what we got. We've done all that work. Okay, listen up, everybody. We're going to start. This is a drop ceiling. We're going to send Send a couple of those bristles right underneath. Now we're going to go over our work lightly. Good job. Okay, see how we got the track right there? So we're going to go in at a 45-degree angle with our slant brush. We're going to put it right up at the top, maybe sideways. We're going to draw straight down. We're going to go put up the bristles right up under there, under the track, and we're going to draw straight back. Put it up there again, redraw. There you go. Now let's feather it over our work. All right, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to start in the corner, shove a couple of bristles right up under the track. We don't want to get any paint on the track. Okay, that's done. Go over your work, feather all that in. Okay, let's continue on. I'm going to cut this wall in two. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to bring down the sides too, the inner edge. And I'm going to bring this out, put a couple bristles under the track. Now I'm going to draw into my work. So I'm going to start over here, send a couple of bristles underneath the track, and draw straight back. Very good. Move on, continue down into the corner, do a fishtail with the brush, bring it straight down, start high, go under the track, fishtail into the corner, bring it down. Very good. Okay, let's continue down here, start high, get a couple of bristles under the track. Okay, go over your work, do some more, send a couple of bristles under the track, go over your work, send a couple of bristles under the track, there you go, and draw straight back. There you go. You guys got this. You girls got this. Pretty simple once you know how. Okay, we're going to continue down. Put your brush up next to the track, get a couple of bristles up under there, and draw straight back. Go over your work. Okay, feather all that in. That piece is done. Okay, put the bristles of the brush stroke up underneath the track and draw straight forward. Okay, let's continue down. Put a couple of bristles up under the track and go straight forward. Now go over your work. Do the same thing. Get a couple of bristles under the track, draw straight forward. This piece is done. Go into the corner, draw up. Now go down to the top of the base and draw back. Now go back over your work. Get this done. We're on an edge. Go this way. Start a little high, bring it down, sweep out, sweep up. We don't want this side dripping. Now continue down. We're just a little bit above the baseboard. There you go. Now go over your work and blend everything in. Start high, draw up around the corner, push it down a little bit. Now draw a straight line, go all the way back. We're not touching the baseboard, only the wall. Okay, we're going to reach forward. We're going to draw up, and then we're going to draw a straight line on the top of the baseboard. Remember, give a like and give us a follow and give us some feedback so we can get the algorithms going. Okay, reach down, go into the 45, draw up. Now go back into the 45 and just go above the baseboard. We're not touching that baseboard. That's all we're doing. Draw right back. Now we're going to go over our work. Outstanding. All right, let's continue down. There you go. Draw a straight line, go back over your work, draw some more paint over it, feather over your work. Reach forward and go into the corner, draw up. Now draw right down the baseboard. There you go. Draw it right down a line using your pencil brush. Now go over your work and let's do this same way. Go up, now go down next to the base, but we're not touching it. Outstanding. All right, we're going to continue down, start high, draw up, put your pencil in there, draw a straight line back. There you go. Simple. Keep a steady hand. Okay, go over your work. Cut in above that baseboard, that nasty baseboard that we kill stained with the oil primer, and just go under that, put some bristles behind it, and go straight down. Okay, let's continue down. Put the bristles behind the radiator. Now go over your work. There you go. Let's cut the outlet in. We're going to go up and around, and we don't want to whack the reciprocal. Someone already whacked. Okay, let's lean over and get the rest of the baseboard to get rid of any imperfections. Okay, let's finish this right here. Draw back. Now go into the corner at the 45. Draw a straight line down. Really simple. Look at that. Go over your work. There you go. Piece right here. That we're going to cut it right in like that, and that's it. Now we're going to get ready to roll this out. Okay, welcome back, guys and girls. This is what we're going to work on today right here. So you're going to get your roller, dunk it in your, you're going to come over here and start in the middle and go right up and right down. Don't touch the ceiling and don't touch the baseboard that we've already painted with a white semi-gloss. Start in the middle. Go all the way up, all the way back down. Now go over your work very lightly to get any imperfections out. Start in the middle, all the way up, all the way down, over a little bit, all the way back up. You use a roller pole about this size that is collapsible because you don't want to be bending over into the roller tray to dunk your roller. So have a longer pole so you could stand over here and go like this. Okay, start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way back down. Now go over your work very lightly. Start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way down, over a little bit. Go over your work, dunk your roller. Start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way back up. Go all the way up, all the way down. Start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way down. Blend everything in. Start in the middle, go all the way up, over. all the way up, all the way down. Go back up, start in the middle, all the way down, over, all the way back down. Go over your work. Medium pressure on the roller, light pressure down the bottom so it doesn't squish out of your roller and all over to your tread. Start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way down. Start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way down. Go all the way down and over. Okay, start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way back down. Go all the way up, all the way down, over, all the way back up. Go over our work very lightly. Start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way down, over a little, back up. Go over your work, over, all the way down, back down, over your work. Start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way down, over. Let's go over our work. Not too shabby. Look at what you guys and girls have accomplished all by yourselves. Okay, everybody, that's a wrap. Good job. Excellent work. Remember, give us a like and subscribe. Get the algorithms going. Let's get the comments going. Ask me a question, I'll answer it. Have a great day.